Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Osman, and first of all, I want to thanks to both of, and I also want to thanks to my supervisor Puan Nurul Ain that helped me to create this final year project. So, my final year project is solar mobile charger. Okay, what is so the introduction is smartphone need a batteries to operate or in on condition. Usually, every smartphone will come with a charger. However, to use the charger, we need to plug in the charger to socket outlet, and the most important is we need to have electric. So, for my project, the entry of energy to solar panel has been set to step up booster to make sure the entry of energy to battery will not exceed the limit of the batteries. This is phone charger power by two kind of circuit with function to charge the smartphone. So for the there have been some solar charger that have been sold, but it is the price is so expensive and not everyone can buy it. So next, for objective, the objective of this project are to firstly to create the characteristic and function of solar energy as an alternative source. Second, to create a mobile charger that use solar energy as a main voltage supply. Third, to be able to verify the value of voltage solar panel that's suitable, the advantage and disadvantage use the solar panel and the output voltage that can be produced by solar panel. Okay, benefit to smartphone owner. First, owner don't have to worry about their smartphone batteries during a day without electricity. Next, owner can use the charger with ease. So next is scope of project. Okay, for the scope project, number one is finding solution to charge the mobile phone using the solar energy as a source and make the value of output voltage suitable to charge the smartphone. Next, solar panel, which is photovoltaic, produce the energy and transfer it to the battery before it can go to the USB charger. The third is solar panel that can produce 12 volt as an output will be used. Next, the our material are used to make the body of the prototype. And the lastly is using step-up booster and connect it with circuit to active the solar charger and save the energy to battery. Okay, next is for flow chart. Okay, this is a flow chart of project which is start and then go to motivation and proposal defend, and next it will go to designation and development, testing and troubleshoot. After the testing and troubleshoot, it will go into making prototype, and yeah, it will end. Okay. Next is for flowchart for solar mobile charger. Okay. It will start and after start it will obtain 12 volt from solar panel, which is 12 volts is the maximum voltage. So after it obtain, it will go to the battery charger circuit, and if the voltage is 3.6 volt, it will go to step up booster. If not, it need to obtain 12 volt from the solar panel to make the voltage at battery charger circuit is 3.6 volt. So after it go to step up booster, which is the voltage will be 5 volt. So if the voltage is not 5 volt, it will go to the battery charger circuit back. And if the step booster has a 5 volt, so it will go to USB. So after go to the USB, it will go to the circuit 2, which is the voltage is 3.7 volt. So after it is N. Next is circuit. Okay, for my project I have 2 circuit. Okay, for circuit number 1 we have solar cell, diode, battery charger, battery, and voltage booster. So the battery charger has been used because it is good quality, constant voltage type of chargers to keep battery in a good shape and consistent. So at battery charger we have 2 LED, which is red and green. So while charging, the red LED will on. While fully charged, the LED will turn to green. So that's mean the green LED will be on. Okay, next for the voltage booster, it is voltage booster is to step up voltage while stepping down current from its input, which is supply, to its output, which is load. Okay, for circuit 2, (3.6 volt) is a watt battery. Is a rate of battery for smartphone. So low current charging is better to increase the efficiency of battery. So in this circuit, T1 is used to give the regulated output. For Zener diode, ZD is to control the output voltage, and D1 will protect the polarity of the output supply. So the circuit will make sure the voltage that will be the output voltage that we will use to connect the USB cable and charge our phone is suitable to the phone. Okay, for the result, in the result I will put a video of the project simulation. Assalamualaikum. In this video I will show how my project, which is solar mobile charger, works. So this is 12 volt solar panel. From this 12 volt solar panel, the energy will go to the battery charger. The energy from solar panel, which is, we know the solar use sun to get the energy. So from the solar panel, it will go to the battery charger. So I will show how much the volt it is from solar panel. So as we can see, there has 0 volt because I record this video at night, so there has no sun. And from the solar panel, from this it will go to the battery charger. The battery charger will charge the battery, so the energy will be saved in this battery, which is 3.7 volt, and the value of volt in output for battery charger is, as we can see, it is 4 volt. So from the solar panel, which is, if we know if the solar panel give us to like 10 volt, the battery charger will change it to 4 volt. Yeah. So from this battery, it will go to step up booster, which is the voltage for input at step up booster is exactly, it is the same value of the output from battery charger, because it is the same value of voltage. Yeah. And from step up booster, it will go to the circuit number 2, which is to control the voltage. Yeah. Because for smartphone, it is not good, or it's not suitable for us to use a high voltage. So as we can see, yeah, the input from circuit 2, the output from circuit 2, the output from circuit 1 and become a input for circuit 2, the value is same, the value of the voltage is same, as we can see. Okay, so it will go through this circuit, and the output for this circuit to charge battery is, yeah, it will be 3.7, because phone mostly a phone will support the 3.7 volt for charging, so it cannot be so high because it will damage the phone. So yeah, okay, now I will show you how it works. As we can see, it's charging now. Yeah, and it's charging. So that's how I prove this circuit is function as well. So that's all in this video. So as we can see in this slide, we have hardware for circuit 1 and hardware for circuit 2. Okay, next is we have in this slide we have picture which is hardware for circuit 2 in PCB board. I used to make in PCB board because of to make sure the component in a good condition and the connection is connect. Okay, next is, so in this slide we have full hardware. So the picture is is a picture of full hardware. Okay, next we have the picture of outside the prototype and the picture of inside the prototype. Next, in this slide we have picture from USB filament to cable USB for charging smartphone. Okay, in this slide we have percentage of smartphone battery. In the right picture in the right show it is charging in 19%, and in the picture at the right show it is charging in 59%. So next for graph, I have made graph time over day I have made graph time of day over voltage of solar panel. Okay, so as we can see, they have 4 graph that will be it's actually the same kind of graph, but it is a different day. So it is for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it is this, and this is the continue to the previous one, which is Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So the last graph is for the voltage of solar panel in 1 week. So I have combined it, and I have combined all of the data from Sunday to Saturday and make it a graph for 1 week. So as we can see, we have 5 days with same voltage of solar panel, and there are 2 days that have low voltage, and it is because of the rain. Okay, for the next graph is a graph charge time over charge capacity. So we can see the charge percentage, the charge capacity to get a 200% is take times 2.5 hours. This graph I have been made by using a data while I charge my Oppo smartphone. So it takes 2.5 hours to make it to 100% fully charged. So for the conclusion, having or using smartphone take many commitments. This includes keeping them fully charged and charge it when battery low. However, sometimes there was a time when there was no electricity. So through the invention of solar mobile charger have developed an innovation to ease and lessen the burden of the owner. There are lots of projects that are related to this project and related aspects in terms of mobile charger, which is to charge the mobile. Although they are related, there are some aspects that make it different with the other project, such as the solar and component used in the project. Moreover, after doing some research and literature review, I have also found some improvement that can be made into my project in terms of prototype design and application used, so that the project will be better than previous project that have been done. Okay, for recommendation, the mobile charger have been a problem for most of mobiles owner because of the battery lifetime in a day based on a ways of uses. As for my project, I've made two body of prototype that to put a solar and circuit for improvement. I think I should combine as one prototype so that easier for the owner to use it for charge the smartphone. The capacity of battery that save energy from solar panel need to be more bigger to save more energy as possible. The designation of the prototype body has to be modified so that the user can bring it more easier to use it. And to avoid the solar panel from damage if the bad weather appear like rain. It is also possible to make more sophisticated sophisticated by adding audio box to tell the owner if the smartphone has been fully charged and the owner can remove it. I hope that all of this recommendation will help me to improvise my project in the future. So this is all of the reference. So that's all from me. Thank you.